Woo. Being farmers mean shaking hands with nature. I do like it. Woo. So this is like when my farm had a rain. I mean, like, I do like so much about rain because like when you turn into a farmer, you really need rain, especially in Isan region because it's so dry. So every time it's raining, so we love that. My dad and me was like, okay, thank God, thanks for everything was coming here. Like, live under the trees, and then like, yeah, it's great. It's great to be showering by rain. So yeah, it's pretty good. I like all those things. We collect all like water from rain because like we have to use to plant another new things of our farm. So yeah, it's pretty great. I love the rain. I love this month. You know, like it's so great. You see my dog, it's really enjoying over there. It's so good. It feels so good when it's like have the big rain. I wish this season we can collect those like. I wish this season like we can collect those water from the rain like really like the higher, because like we need water. We do need water for everything in our farm. So yeah, we love it. We love the rain. I love the rain.